Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then select while using and allow in the pop-up in order to continue. So while using the app, allow. When you finish, just close iOS Launcher app and go into Devices settings. In them, access Apps section right away. Click on Default Apps and Home app. Lastly, click on iOS Launcher, choose OK and then Got it. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. If you wish to switch between your layouts, just access the same default apps settings and tap on Moto App Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!